Hello viewers, you are highly welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to be solving this beautiful exponential equation. So what are we going to do? So now we are going to let 2 to the power of x be what? Be y. So I will let this 2 to the power of x here to be y. So from this equation, so this is going to be 4 to the power of y plus 2 to the power of y, then equals 56. So now from there, we can rewrite this. 4 to the power of y can be written as 2 to the power of 2, then to the power of y, then plus 2 to the power of y equals 56. So now from there, the next thing we're going to do, so we see that this can be written as, when you have a to the power of b, then to the power of c, this can be written as a to the power of c, then to the power of b. So I interchange the exponent. So I can do the same thing here. So we're going to have 2 to the power of y, then I have 2 to the power of 2 here, plus 2 to the power of y equals 56. Right, so from there, so we see that 2 to the power of y is here, 2 to the power of y is here. So we can also let 2 to the power of y be what? Be k. So therefore, we're going to have k squared plus k equals 56, right? So we're going to have k squared plus k. I will transpose this to this side. We're going to be having minus 56 equals 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of k. So therefore, the next thing we're going to do is that, let me look for the two factors of 56 that when I multiply them together, we're going to have minus 56. But if I add them together, we are going to have plus 1. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to have this to be, if I have k by factorizing, so I'm going to be having minus plus 8, then this will be minus 7. Because if I say 8 times minus 7, we're going to have minus 56. But 8 plus minus 7, we're going to have this. So therefore we have k plus 8, right, to be equal 0, then k minus 7 to be equal 0. So we're going to have, transposing this to the right hand side, this to the right hand side, we have k to be equals minus 8, and this will be k to be what? To be equal 7. So now from there, so don't forget that we are not looking for the value of k. What we are looking for is the value of x, but we replace k to be something. From here, we replace k to be 2 to the power of y. So recall that, we should recall that 2 to the power of y equals what? Equals k. So now, and this k must be, and 2 to the power of y must be greater than 0. So therefore, the value of k that we got here will have to be rejected, because it's not what? It's not greater than 0. So we are going to use only when k is what? So therefore, it's going to be 2 to the power of y equals what? Equals 7. I get it now. So from there, what are we going to do to get the value of y? So to get the value of y here, so we're going to have what? We're going to have log of base 2 to the power of y equals log of base 2 to the power of what? To the power of 7. So now from there, what are we going to have? So I'm going to have this to be y equals y, because this, we cancel this, we have y equals log 7 to the base what? To the base 2. So that is y. But don't forget that we are not actually looking for y2. So now when you go back to the beginning, you see that we have already said what? Here, that y should be 2 to the power of x. So therefore, when y is 2 to the power of x, recall that y is equal to the power 2 to the power of x. So therefore, what we are going to do is that we have y to be log 7 base 2. This is going to be 2 to the power of x equals log base 2, 7. So what are we going to do here? So we have 2 to the power of x. We can write this as log 7 over what now? So the same thing we are going to do here. So from here, so we introduce logarithm of base 2. I mean, with respect to base 2, log 2 to the power of x equals, right, log 7 over log 2. We're still going to put log of base 2 here. So we're going to have this, we cancel this, we have x to be equals log base 2 log 7 all over log 2, and that is the solution. So we have the value of x to be log of base 2, then log 7 over of log 2. So, and that's the end of the class. If you find this class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.